Peach, congrats. Thank you. Sir, hingi lang kami ng feedback. Kamusta po yung naging outcome po natin?
So far, okay naman. Masaya. Maganda yung ano nyo.
Ma'am Tin, congratulations, Ma'am Tin
Thank you
and Sir PJ. Ma'am Tin, hingi lang ako ng feedback, ma'am, sa ating wedding video, ma'am, kung okay lang po ba sa inyo and kamusta po?
Wow, super. Yung expectation po na surpass, na over talaga yung expectation. Sobrang thank you from the prenup hanggang sa matapos yung araw, yung wedding day namin. Thank you, super appreciated po yung effort nyo, yung pagsama sa amin sa bundok. As in talaga, sobra. Thank you. Me and my husband are very thankful and grateful sa lahat.
Okay, so congratulations po ulit, Ma'am Tin, and ipopost po namin yung inyong video sa page po namin, ha?
Thank you.
Sige po, thank you.
This is yours po.
Thank you.